Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course, and the topic for today is linear dimensions. These linear dimensions are the most common type of dimensions that you'll be using inside AutoCAD. These dimensions, in fact, are orthogonal items that measure the height and the length of an object, or 2 points that can be one object, or simply a distance that you want to acquire the measurement. And AutoCAD provides three dimensioning tools for this purpose, the linear ones. So you have linear, continue, and baselines, and in this lesson we are going to see all the three possibilities. So let us create simply one rectangle to create these dimensions. Let's create a new one and yet another one. So we have these rectangles here, and then we have the possibility to make the dimensions inside this annotation under the home menu, but the complete set of tools, you have it in annotate menu, and then you have this group called dimensions. And now you have the linear. The linear has a couple of possibilities, but we will see only the linear, which is the basic one, and then inside here the continue and the baseline. So the linear basically asks you for 2 points that can be something like this, and you grab down and you'll put the dimension. And you can do this as an horizontal dimension, or the exact same command can do a vertical possibility also. So the program basically will choose according to the point you pick if it is a vertical or an horizontal dimension. But you can work with the two other possibilities, which are the continue, that after you create a linear dimension you click in continue, and then it will grab the last point picked. I will recreate it again just to be correct. So linear, if you click 1 point, second point, you put the dimension, and now if you go to continue, so it will use the last point and just ask for a new one, and it will continue until you are okay with the command. Okay. You have another possibility, which is use the baseline. So I will restart again. So delete these dimensions, annotate, put one linear dimension, okay, and now choose baseline, and the baseline uses the first point as start for all the dimensions. So these are the three possibilities to create linear dimensions. Anyway, I want to talk to you about another topic important, especially when you have this kind of dimensioning, the baseline, where the space between the dimensions in this case is small. So I will use something called dim space, enter, and use this as base dimension, and say that I want to space these ones, confirm, and enter a value. I will use, for example, 8, and they are equally spaced according to the value I've given of 8. So you'll get this kind of look after this is done.